Accidents on the road are a common occurrence, impacting millions each year. Let's explore the most frequent types of vehicle accidents you should be aware of. The most prevalent type, rear-end collisions. These occur when a vehicle strikes the back of another, often at stoplights or in traffic. They can lead to injuries like whiplash. Among the most severe are head-on crashes, where vehicles collide front to front. These often result in traumatic injuries, including broken bones and even fatalities. T-bone accidents happen at intersections when a vehicle strikes the side of another, forming a T-shape. They can cause serious injuries, especially to passengers. Sometimes vehicles collide with fixed objects like poles or trees. These accidents can occur when drivers swerve to avoid other hazards, leading to significant damage and injuries. Sideswipe impacts occur when vehicles brush each other while traveling in the same direction. They often happen during lane changes or merging, potentially causing serious accidents. In the aftermath of an accident, determining negligence is crucial. The negligent party is liable for damages. If you've been injured in an accident, seek legal advice to understand your rights and options. Contact Arnold & Smith PLLC. Our team is here to help.